Welcome to Kaveri's Craft Studio. Today we are going to make a beautiful necklace using cone-shaped paper beads. For this we need 7 cone-shaped paper beads. Let's quickly learn how to make these beads. Let's take a look at the measurements. Mark a rectangle of 50 by 3 centimeters and cut it diagonally. Take a printed paper with nice floral pattern and cut as per the measurements. Now take a toothpick and start rolling the paper. Glue at the end. This bead has to be glazed with Mod Podge and dried to get glossy finish. For detailed procedure, please check my video on how to make cone-shaped paper beads. Link is given in the description. So let's check out how to make necklace using these beads. For this we need a loop chain, glass beads or pearls, head pins, small sized gold beads, jump rings and a necklace locking hook. Start by inserting a gold bead followed by a paper bead into a head pin and make a loop with the help of a plier. Similarly, create a bead hanging using 2 gold beads and a pearl. Create 7 numbers of paper bead hangings and 6 numbers of pearl hangings. Now take a loop chain and mark the center and hang the paper bead hanging and fasten it with a plier. Similarly, hang a pearl hanging at a distance of 2 or 3 loops based on the size of the pearl. Similarly, arrange all the hangings to make a stunning necklace. Let's finish the necklace by fixing a locking hook at one end and jump rings at the other end. It's always a pride to wear handmade jewelry. Hope you will try making one by yourself. Please do share your creations in the comment section. Right away subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notifications on my future tutorials.